on tight. We'll make it through this together. I won't let us go without. Things are going to change, starting today. The savings jar. Excellent. Please, have a seat and let's go over the designs for your new home. The foundation is solid, and the elevation highlights the beautiful gray stone and the prominent fireplace. This new smart thermostat is much more efficient. The zoning allows for precise temperature control. To the new home, may it be filled with warmth. It's perfect, isn't it? The builders really outdid themselves.